Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Welcome back to your online classes. I hope you all are fine. We are going to start our second term and our unit for this term, that is unit 5, more KTurtle commands. So we are going to learn about KTurtle commands in this class. Here are some commands of program KTurtle. Just have a look at it. Forward command, backward command, turn right command, turn left command, and reset command. These are few commands of KTurtle. Forward command, we have short key FW. For backward we have BW. For turn right TR, and turn left we have short form TL. Here are some other commands of KTurtle program, that is direction, canvas size, canvas, or pen width. Okay, so direction command, it is actually shows the direction. The short form is DIR, short form for direction, and CS, that is for canvas size, it just increase or decrease the canvas width or height. CC for canvas or color, using to change the color of your canvas, and PW, that is pen width, it's using to change the width of your pen. And what is the pen here? Pen is actually turtle that you can see here in this program. This is the pen of KTurtle program. Now we are going to start our commands. The first one is forward command. As you just look at this picture, the turtle is moving forward. Okay, it is just heading to the forward direction. The forward or FW command is used to move the turtle in the forward direction. We also need to type alongside the number of steps we want the turtle to move. So whatever we want to write, the number of steps, you have to type with it. Like suppose I want to move my turtle forward 100, so I will write FW 100. Next command, TR command, the short form, that is turn right. Commands turn the head of the turtle towards the right. We also have to add the number of degrees we want the turtle to turn by. While turning, the turtle rotates but stays at the same position. Now see, turn right, as you just look at the word, it's just turning the turtle to the right side. Look here at this picture, the turtle is turned only to the right side, it's not moving. Just keep in your mind and try to save this difference, that what is it? The turtle is only turning to the right side, it's not moving, it's just staying at the same position, and that is its home position. Okay, it is not moving anywhere, it will only turn to the right side. I hope you understand. In forward, the turtle will move forward, but in TR it will stay in its position and only it will turn to the right side. Okay, then BW command. BW command, backward command. If you just look at here this picture, the turtle is moving backward. Okay, BW command, we can move the turtle backward. The backward or BW command is used to move the turtle in the backward direction. And what is the example? If you want to move your turtle 60 steps backward, you will write BW 60 steps. Okay, then the turtle will move backward. Move backward for BW. Next you have TL command. TL means turn left. Look here at this picture, the turtle is turning to the left side. Turning to the left side. The TL or turn left command turns the head of the turtle towards the left. Again, while turning, the turtle rotates but stays at the same position. Okay, it will not move to any way. Okay, it will stay at the same position, it just turn its side, turn it to the left direction. For that purpose, if you want to write turn left, how? Turn left 100, means you have to mention the number of steps with your command, turning 100 step to the left side. Here we have some other commands, that is dir or direction. You have to write dir with 100 steps, and your turtle, see, it will just move clockwise like that. It turns the turtle in the clockwise direction. The degrees are counted from the center. See, the center turtle is here. When you write this command, turtle will start moving like that, clockwise here. Okay. After that, another command, that is CS or canvas size. CS or canvas size. As I told you earlier, that it just increase, or you can say decrease, the width of your canvas. Just look here. This one, this is the canvas of your screen. This canvas, you can change the size by writing the command like it's wrote here, CS 200 200. Okay, when you will write this command, just run and it will just change the canvas size. It will change the width and height of the canvas, and your turtle that will earlier in the center, it will just move there in that corner. So canvas size, it sets the canvas width and height. Just keep in your mind, okay, the width and height. If you want to set it, you have to use canvas size or CS command. Keep in your mind, dir for direction and CS for canvas size, the short form. Just turning the direction of turtle moving clockwise, and this is changing the width and height, or you can say sets the width and height of your canvas. Here, that is CC or canvas color. Okay, so if you want to change the color of your canvas, you can use this command, canvas color. How? See here, this is the canvas. If you want to change the color of the canvas, you have to use this command CC. C for canvas and C for color. Okay, so canvas color is going to be used for changing the command of canvas. It sets the color of the canvas. It sets the color of the canvas. There are many colors in it. There are color codes. You have to learn them. When you learn all the codes, you can type them with this command CC. If you will write CC 250 50 50, it will give you this red color. If you will write 250, 00, it will also show red color, but with little different shade. After that, we have PW or pen width command. Pen width command, as the name shows, it's going to set the width of your pen. Now, what is the pen? Pen is actually turtle, this one. This turtle which we use for drawing different type of geometrical shapes. This is the pen of the turtle. We can change the width of this pen by using this command, that is pen width. Okay, so how? It sets the pen width size of the pen, means width or size. You can type PW space 5 and just enter. You can see this line, it was earlier thick, sorry, it was earlier thin. Now it is changed into thick. Okay, the number, if you increase, you will write PW 10. The thickness of this line will be changed, inshallah, and you will see that it will be more thicker than the earlier. So pen W or pen width you can use to change the size of your pen. Here are few commands beta that we have learned in this lesson. PW, PC, FW, TR, again FW, TR. You have to use all these commands and draw a figure and just send me through WhatsApp. So I'll just check that whatever you have studied, you understood it or not. Okay, so here is the command, that is pw pc fw tr pc. If you don't want to use, you can just leave it. Okay, you use all these commands and they will just help you to draw this type of shapes. Okay, so just try to use all these commands, draw this shape and send me. This is your activity, don't forget to do it. Try to learn all the commands first and then practice it. I hope you understand today's lesson. Just take care, be healthy. I'll see you in the next class inshallah. Take care. Allah Hafiz.